So yeah guys, this is the car right here. This is my new project. So it's a Q60 2018. So it's a premium package. 26,000 miles on this car. I think there's one owner. It's not gonna look like this in a couple months, I guarantee. So I'm gonna be throwing this on the Q today. The spoiler comes already like pre-drilled for you. They want you to just drill into your trunk. So hard to peel off, guys. Like, there you go. This is how the car should come from factory, honestly. Today I'm gonna be installing my Akebono, so I'm pretty excited. This is it right here, guys. We had to cut
the backing plate, the heat shield right here. So
because the rotor wouldn't like clear it. So.
Yeah, the Akebonos have a bigger rotor, so yeah. And on the Q60s, the hat for the drum brakes is bigger. So if you want to upgrade your Qs, you have to get new rotors.
Yeah, you have to get new rotors if you guys want to get your Akebonos installed on any Q, right? Any
Q, Q50, Q60.
Yeah. Yep. So make sure you guys get rear rotors. The front ones will work, right? Like Akebono ones.
They'll swap from a G to Q.
Exactly.
It's only the rears. You can buy them at AutoZone too, you know. Save
exactly. AutoZone. I think I paid like 80 bucks for them, so that's not too bad. What do you guys think of the tint? Is it too dark? Let me know down in the comments. I got 5% all around. Super dark. You can barely see through the front windshield or any of these windows. Thinking of debadging all of this right here. I might leave the symbol. I'm gonna debadge all of this. Same with the 3.0 turbo on the side. I'm gonna take that off right now. So I'm gonna heat up all these letters right here. Make sure they're nice and warm, and then once they're heated up, I'm gonna go add it with the fishing wires. Yo, what do you guys think? Drop a comment down below if it looks more aggressive. West side of this bitch. Final result. Girl came out really glossy, so like I said, just take your time on it and it should come out pretty clean. Yo guys, we just pulled up to Fellers. Got the soup right here, we made it safe. I'm gonna wrap the roof of the Q60 right now with Eric.
Alright, now we start working it out.
Honestly, this is like shop quality work right here. Came out really fucking good. This is the whole exhaust right here, guys. The MBRP exhaust with the lower downpipes. You'll survive today. Look how skinny these pipes are. What the hell? That's like a 2-inch. This is way
Wait, no, what do you mean?
bigger.
Yeah, why are you putting it on?
Wow. Guys, I just dropped off the lip right there. The homeboy right here is gonna take care of me. Shout out to the homie here. You guys can see the lip is on the front bumper now. It is color matched to the same hue here, so it looks literally OEM. Lowering springs right here that I picked up are Performance. If you guys want to pick these up, I'm gonna link it down in the description. These are the same springs I had on the 370Z. Arc Performance, really good quality. My whole interior here is ripped apart. I only have access to my strut bar. Take all those bolts and you guys should be good. It fit about one finger, if that.
Raven, brand new coupe, mad black, brand new bit, her ass fat, 21 racks, blackjack, spin a bag.
Other than that, guys, that's basically it right there. I'll give you guys some revs right now. Also picked up a coolant expansion tank here as well. This is the AMS Performance as well. So this is gonna help me down, help me with more cooling.
That'll help get out anything that's left.
Once we drain this all on right now, we're gonna go ahead and take off these two hoses right here. Should look like this. And then since we are upgrading the expansion tank here as well for the coolant, we're gonna go ahead and just go take this off here. All over to the top. Yep, that one dropped a little bit here.
That one's probably good, dude.
I don't know if you guys could tell. I titled this video here, I'm gonna be buying my new wheels. Yes, this is a lot of cash. I'm not stoked about spending all this money, but I do have to say I do need some new wheels. I'm on the way right now to go get my fenders rolled.
Quick with your fenders here, because the way manufacturers create all the new cars now, they don't have a physical steel lip on the inside of the fender where they connect the outer and inner shell. It's a rolled over lip, so it's already flat.
You guys could definitely see that right there. The HKS blowout valves, as you guys can see. So yeah, I picked up the HKS blowout valves as well with the Add W1 oil catch can. I'm just going to pop this light off, I guess. So stick the screwdriver in there. Boom, just like that. Comes right off. Boom, edge to edge, just like that. Wow, this is literally the easiest install I've ever done on my channel. Check this out. Sheesh. Infiniti, boys. I picked up a low pressure fuel pump as well, guys. This is the Walbro 450 low pressure fuel pumps.
So oil catch can, what it does, it just helps circulate oil through your motor, catches all the dirt and debris out.
All right, you guys, 3 hours later. No, I'm kidding, more like an hour and a half. So we got the AMS 3-inch downpipes. These are the 4-reach downpipes. Ooh. First shot up right there. That shit sounds good. Ooh. That shit sounds nasty. Yo, what's going on, guys? I got my boy Brandon right here.
3 days later.
Dude, sure shit ain't no joke.
Is it loud?
Yeah.